How to turn off notification badges on your iPhone. Notification badges are the small red numbers that appear on app icons to let you know when you have unread messages, emails, or other notifications. If you'd rather keep your home screen clean, here's how to disable them. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap Notifications. Next, scroll through the list and select the app you want to remove notification badges from. For this example, I'll choose Instagram, but you can follow the same steps for any other supported app. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Then scroll down and locate the Badges option. Simply tap the Badges toggle to turn it off. Once disabled, the red badge count will no longer appear on that app's icon, even if you have unread notifications. Keep in mind that you'll still receive notifications in the Notification Center or as banners if those options remain enabled. And that's it. You've successfully turned off notification badges on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and tutorials.